There's a story about a train in Norway and it's going up a hill. And if I'm dealing with only a story, it's better to make a little sketch. So I got a hill and there's a little train going up. The hill's altitude is 300 meters and this little train goes with a speed of 3 meters per second during 6 minutes. So my first question, calculate the length of this slide. In order to calculate the length, it's going on for 3 meters a second during 6 minutes. 6 minutes is equal to 6 times 60 seconds a minute. 60 is 360 seconds. So if I multiply 3 meters a second with 360 seconds, I get 1080 meters per second times second. So what's left over is only my meters. So this slope is 1080 meters. Next question. What's the percentage of the slope? Well, we can do it in two directions. Let's call this angle A. And in order to calculate the percentage slope, I can first start to calculate the angle. And the angle in this case, I do have my opposite. So let's call it the opposite. And I do have my hypotenuse. And if I look to my little reminder, so katoa, I know that I do have my O and my H. So I need to use my sine. So the sine of angle A is equal to opposite divided by my hypotenuse. In this case, it's 300 divided by 1080. To calculate the angle, I take the inverse sine of 300 divided by 1080, and I found that it's approximately 16.1 degrees. So finally, I found the angle. But it doesn't give me the percentage. I'm able to calculate the percentage because for the percentage I need to have two lengths, because the percentage is defined as the rise divided by the run times 100%. And I do have my rise because that's 300, but my run is still unknown. Call this B. So I need to calculate my B, my AB, and I could do it with Pythagorean theorem because I know this is a right angle triangle. I know this is 300. I know this is 1080. So this is AB. I can calculate 1080 square equals 300 square plus AB square. So AB is square root 1080 square minus 300 square. And you will find out afterwards what is the answer. But let's do it the other way around. Let's do it by using my sine, cosine, or my tangent. And you know what I need? I need my adjacent side. And my opposite and my adjacent, I don't have anything opposite and adjacent. Yes, I have a tangent. So I'm going to use my tangent because I know that my tangent, I need my opposite and my adjacent. So I could say the tangent of angle A equals the opposite by adjacent. In this case is 300 divided by AB. And I know that my angle is 16.1 degrees equals 300 divided by AB. let's take my little reminder. 3 equals 6 divided by 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So what am I going to use? I know 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So I know 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 300 divided by tangent 16.1. 300 divided by the tangent 16.1 degrees equals AB. Well, just calculate and I'll find out that AB has a length of approximately 1037.5. My percentage now is very easy to calculate because I just filled it in. My rise is 300 divided by 1037.5 times 100% equals 28.9%. I could do the same as well, but then using the cosine angle A is divided by my hypotenuse. So cosine 16.1 degrees equals adjacent divided by my hypotenuse is 1080. Let's go over and take a look. 3 times 2 is 6. So 1080 times cosine 16.1 degrees. I will find out that it's once again 1037.7. This one I can use as well in this calculation.